how to do random ordering in Excel. Wow, that's a nice challenge. All right, so we have all these formulas that we can misuse. So I have a list over here with the original order that I put people in. So I've got names, I've got team names, I've got the original number, and I've got a definite order number that I want to keep later, and I've got a temporary order number. So first thing I do, I'll make sure that I can sort these people. So I make this a table, and the table has headers. So if I take the format, I'll just take my nice orange colors because I'm Dutch. And my table is headers, so that's a checkbox is checked over here, and it will treat this as just the headers. And with the headers, I can sort. So for example, if I want to sort all the names on alphabetical order, I'll just do this, and I've got Abby on top and Scarlet as last. If I just want to go back to original order, I just go here, smallest to largest, got 1 to 18. So that works. Great. So now I need a random number. Now the thing is of a random number is it's a formula. So a formula will change every time that something changes in the sheet. It will recalculate the whole sheet, and then when it sees a random formula, it will give it a new number. So okay, that's it. So what's the random formula? It's an is sign, and then random if you're set up in English, and then I've got a random between. That's I can use any of those, but anyway, but I like the random in between because it's so nice and clear. And I press the tab key. So now I've got a place where I can enter two numbers. So I take number 1 and then a semicolon and 10,000. You can take any number, but if you have a large list to sort, I suggest you take a large number so you don't run into the problem of having double numbers. Although that will solve itself also as well, so it will then just take a random order in that. So let's press enter and see what happens, because it will fill all the rows with this same formula, because the software understands random. Oh, it's a column. Oh, I need to put this in the whole column, so every row will have the same formula. Damn, there it is. So this is actually everything you need to do to order. So now I have an order with, let's say, Lisa is over here, is 1200. I think that's the number 1. Yeah, that's the lowest number. So this should be number 1. And 9,439. I've got here 47. I think this is the highest one. So Morgan should be the last. Lisa should be the first. So let's sort these numbers, and then two things will happen. One, of course, everybody will be sorted in this order. Secondly, because the sheet is being recalculated, all the numbers will change. Now, don't get confused by that. Now, there's another thing. Let's do that first, okay? So over here. Now, Lisa over here, Morgan last, and the rest is just in between, but the numbers changed. Now, I can cheat because if I go back one step and I have, oh, actually the numbers don't change back to today. Yeah, they do. All right. No, they don't. I got new numbers. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So I know that this is my original number list of people, and I see the numbers over here, and I know who belongs to what number. So I don't want to influence what I see over here and then say, well, I just recalculated, and now, oh, I like this order better. Now I know that this one is starting instead of my diver or somebody else's diver. Oh, actually, Kira is starting. So what I do, I'll just take this column and I say, well, let's make the front color and the background color the same. So now I cannot see what is in here, but I can still see the name. So when I change, I can still see if I like the order. So that's also not good. So what I do, I'll just go to the right, make this column really white, width, and now I cannot see shit. So now I can just say, oh, let's stay over here and let's do a random right now. So now I don't see what the order is. So I just fill in, this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3. I'll select everything, I drag it down, Now I've got an order over here, and let's surprise ourselves with the new lottery number, the new randomizing. Jessica is going to start in this way. This is the diving order. That's all you need to know. Good luck with that.